son. Dad,
Roger, Roger.
my boy.
Uh-oh.
The mighty and good.
Oh, I don't know. I think they're kind of cute. I mean, this one just walked right up to me.
They ate rats.
You must continue your journey without me.
What are you? What? Master! You can't leave me!
You must believe.
Master!
Don't be calling me cuckoo in the head.
Just shush! I will handle this. Would you give a guy a break?
Oh, we're just gonna take my little friend here home and forget this ever happened. What's the matter with them? Ow!
What you doing? You can't do that. That's an offensive weapon. That is illegal.
I'm coming, buddy!
Let me
Go get back up!
I thought there was no backup.
I'm getting Judy!
Hey, it was in your yard, your name's on the contract, so you can tell it to the judge.
No, it's not my fault. Let go of me.
Ma'am.
I can't be arrested.
Excuse
I'm
me.
president of the Homeowners Association.
Getting away! Get her!
Ma'am!
Okay. Go!
Hey?
Oh no. No, no. No, no!
What are you doing? Get off me! Let me go! Do as I say! Get off!
My upgrades. Come back.
What is all this rock and roll racket?
Is she dead?
No.
Reach for the sky.